So on the 4th of June I was seeing the Northern Belle at Preston Pans in Edinburgh. So my first catch of it would be at Preston Pans, where we see it running under 1Z13. The delayed 12:31 turned up at 14:38 West Coast Railway service to Edinburgh from Manchester Victoria, with up front 57601 and 57313 top and tailing. And then we now go to see it at Edinburgh later on in the night, where it was now running 5Z14, 1752, Joppa straight to Edinburgh empty coach and stock move with 57601 up front and 313 in the rear. And then it would form 1Z14 Edinburgh to Manchester Victoria, departed Edinburgh at 18:11.
Are you live streaming this?